Let's quickly talk about HubSpot Website Builder. HubSpot does a lot of things. They do SEO. They are a marketing agency. But in today's conversation, I want to focus on their website builder. And so here's the bottom line. When you think about HubSpot Website Builder, it's important to understand that you have a very intuitive drag and drop interface. And the service actually makes website creation accessible to you without coding skills, okay? With existing themes, customizable modules, and what you see is what you get editor. Designing a professional looking website is really, really easy through a HubSpot. And its seamless integration with custom domains enhances brand credibility without additional fees. So we love that. Moreover, HubSpot's comprehensive customer platform empowers your business to grow efficiently with tools like forms, live chat, and reporting features. When you think about HubSpot, I want you to think about a CRM, a client relationship management software. It's not just about website building. So while its free version provides basic functionality, upgrading unlocks advanced features for, let's say, enhanced performance, and HubSpot's customization options are limited. So if you seek extensive technical control, you will find it restricted. Because HubSpot originally is not a website builder, it's not a website building tool. It is a content marketing tool. But overall, HubSpot Website Builder excels at simplifying your website creation process for your business, aiming for a professional online presence and specific growth in a really fast manner. So what are the pros and cons of HubSpot Website Builder? The advantages first. The tool actually allows for easy creation and customization of your business website. It enables you to construct and modify your website without any coding knowledge or, let's say, even technical expertise. It expedites the publication of your business websites, making it the use of default themes. It enhances user experience with custom modules. It facilitates the creation of a unique website easily with the aid of a drag and drop editor, but that's really free. And it gives you the ability to create valuable content quickly. And that's really cool. So fantastic. What about the cons here? The drawbacks. When you think about HubSpot's website builder, it promotes a sort of dependency on a drag and drop interface. It restricts flexibility in coding and technical customization. It lacks a wide range of themes in our view. It reduces your control over connecting custom domains. And it also lacks an extensive set of tools beyond what HubSpot really offers. HubSpot wants you to be in its own ecosystem, nothing beyond, but its own ecosystem. This could be a little restrictive in our view. What is the target audience here? When you think about HubSpot Website Builder, who is it really for? So you want to consider using the HubSpot Website Builder if you look for a free drag and drop website builder that allows you, let's say, to design and modify your company's website without the need for coding or other technical knowledge. That's an important element. And if you want to use custom modules for an amazing user experience and default themes to publish your business websites more quickly, you want to consider a HubSpot if you need, let's say, if you need to create a unique website quickly and easily without knowing how to code using a free drag and drop editor. If you want to use a what you see is what you get editor to produce powerful content so you can see the finished products as you work. And consider this player also if you prefer to quickly alter the appearance and feel of your entire website. You can select from hundreds of adaptable website themes with expert designs. Fantastic. So in terms of target audience, who HubSpot Website Builder is not really right. It's not really suitable for. Well, HubSpot Website Builder may not be suitable for you if you have coding skills and you prefer to customize your website using code instead of having a drag and drop interface. If you need advanced customization options beyond what HubSpot's drag and drop editor offers. If you have a preferred domain provider and you need no free domain connection with HubSpot. If you also require a website builder that really integrates seamlessly with tools and platforms other than HubSpot's customer platform, for instance, let's say you have e-commerce implications. Your site needs to have e-commerce implications, and HubSpot is sort of limited in that on that front. You might as well just choose another player. And consider actually HubSpot's rivals if you have specific requirements or preferences beyond what HubSpot's website builder provides, such as advanced analytics or, let's say, SEO features. So what's the offer here? So when we think about the HubSpot website builder, what does this platform really offer? Basically, you have a user-friendly website development process. Okay, so the process is really cool. Without knowing any code, you can quickly and simply create and modify your company's website. That's really important. I mean, that's the appeal that HubSpot wants to really instill in the population in terms of its services. You have theme selection and customization. You have visual content creation. You have free custom domain integration, complete business growth tools. You have flexible pricing options, advanced features for enhanced functionality, and you have support and guidance. So when we talk about theme selection and customization, for instance, you are able to access hundreds of professional themes customizable to fit your brand. Remember that HubSpot is a CRM, a client relationship management. So it is also a content management platform. So in terms of customization of themes and selection of themes, it's pretty it's pretty strong on that front. You have free custom domain integration, so you can connect a custom domain at no cost to create a business-like online presence. You can quickly and easily link your domain to your website without paying extra. That's really cool. We love that flexibility a lot because it really instills another layer of efficiency in your operation. And when I talk about advanced features for enhanced functionality, I'm talking about you being able to utilize features like AI blog post generation, website structure import, and advanced menus for enhanced website functionality. You can access features like conversational bots, live chat, and customizable website traffic analytics for improved customer engagement and insights. So that's an important element to think about. You also have support and guidance, so you can contact HubSpot's professional for help and advice via phone or through in-app chat. You get access to extensive resources and documentation to guide you through and enhance the website building process. So that's really an important element to think about, and that will help you actually deliver a solid online presence down the road. Let me dig a little deeper. When we talk about the HubSpot website builder, the details, I want to go a little more granular here, especially when it comes to pricing. And it's important to understand that when we talk about HubSpot website builder, they actually they have lumped their pricing with other capabilities that they're offering. Remember that HubSpot originally or primarily is a CRM / content marketing platform. So if you're looking for the free drag and drop website builder, that's totally possible. So HubSpot offers a user-friendly drag and drop website builder to create and customize up to 30 business websites without coding skills. So up to 30. So the maximum here when it comes to the free plan, 30. And so the free plan includes default themes, custom modules. What you see is what you get editor for easy content creation. You can choose from a variety of themes and add a custom domain for free. And HubSpot's customer platform provides tools like forms, live chat, and reporting to help grow your business. So in terms of affordability, that's really good. In terms of scalability, that's really good too. Then you have the Content Hub Starter. So the Content Hub Starter is pretty interesting because the pricing starts at around $15 to $30 per month. So, and that's per month per seat. So the Content Hub Starter offers essential content marketing tools. It includes the removal of HubSpot branding from certain features, as well as premium hosting. You can also access AI blogs, website pages, landing pages, and forms, and all of this without branding. Okay, so we're speaking about you having the ability to actually customize things or even personalize things. So from a branding perspective, so that's really cool. And then you have the Content Hub Professional. So the Content Hub Professional, the pricing starts at around $450 to $500, and there are some cases where we've seen people actually pay $550, $575 per month with the 3 seats. So this is basically the Content Hub Professional think of it as a comprehensive content marketing software tool that builds upon the starter plan. It includes features like podcasts, which is currently in beta mode, dynamic pages, memberships, A/B testing, custom reporting, AI translation, and brand voice. Additionally, you can access advanced menus, conversational bots, and customizable website traffic. And again, we're speaking here about not only the traffic, but also the analytics that actually underlie that traffic. So what is the value added here? So where does HubSpot Website Builder stand out? You have a user-friendly interface, okay? You have existing themes and templates. You have a large constellation of themes and templates. You have custom domain integration. You have a comprehensive customer platform. You have affordable pricing options. So let me break it down a little bit for you. So when we talk about existing themes and templates, you have the ability to actually have highly customizable and professional templates, allowing you in the end to tailor your website's look and feel to align with your brand identity, right? In terms of colors, in terms of fonts, in terms of tone, everything. You also have custom domain integration. So HubSpot offers seamless integration of custom domains for free. This feature helps your business establish a credible online presence with, let's say, a professional looking domain name, enhancing overall, as you think about it, your brand image and trustworthiness among visitors. And that's really cool. And you also have a comprehensive customer platform. So what sets HubSpot apart is that it has a holistic approach to website management and business growth. So in addition to its drag and drop website builder, HubSpot provides a comprehensive customer platform with various tools such as forms, live chat, meetings, and reporting features. Where does HubSpot Website Builder fall short? Well, you do have limited customization options, and this is a little problematic, but hey, listen, it is what it is. And you have dependency on existing themes. If you don't like the themes that you have, then you're really toast. Because that's what they have, okay? And you have domain connectivity restrictions. So while HubSpot allows you to connect a custom domain for free, the process is not as seamless or flexible as you expect. You can encounter limitations in terms of domain options or technical difficulties when attempting to connect your domain. And this could be a bummer, especially if you are pretty short on time, right? And this potentially disrupts your branding consistency or the online presence of your business. And especially if you are, let's say, if you are in a very competitive field, you are losing a lot of time, resources, and money. And you also have a lack of advanced features in the free version. So while HubSpot offers a free drag and drop website builder, you find that the available features are basic and really not enough for your extensive needs. Advanced functionalities such as dynamic content, advanced SEO recommendations, or A/B testing are only accessible through paid plans. Something to think about. So what about the setup here? So when you think about HubSpot Website Builder, how do you start using the service? Well, to start using the service, you just need to create a free account with HubSpot's CRM platform, the client relationship management platform. So this gives you access to the website builder and other essential tools. Go to the marketing section and find the website feature. And if you don't see it immediately, you may need to upgrade to a plan that includes website building capabilities. Choose your plan. So HubSpot actually offers different tiers of website building plans ranging from starter to enterprise. So for smaller businesses, the starter plan is usually sufficient. Select the plan that fits your needs and budget best. And customize the look and feel of your website. Choose a theme, for instance, that aligns with your brand and logo, and adjust things like colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your preferences. And start building your website pages. Pretty easy. Add content, images, and other elements to your pages. You can create essential pages like the home page, about us, and contact page. Pretty straightforward. But I want you to pay attention to SEO. In terms of if you are building a website, you want to pay attention to SEO best practices. Optimize your page titles, meta description, and content to improve your site's visibility in search engine results. And you want to preview the site to ensure everything looks and functions well. Then publish your sites with just a single click button. Incorporate additional features like a blog, or e-commerce functionality, HubSpot offers plugins and integrations to help you expand your site's capabilities. So what are the rivals here? So when we think about HubSpot, what kind of rivals can you have? Well, you have Zoho and you have EngageBay, among others. You have Pipedrive. Again, here we are speaking about not only a website builder, but we're speaking about CRM. But Zoho also has a website builder in its CRM. So you have, when in Zoho, you have a comprehensive marketing suite encompassing email hosting, website creation, and CRM software, along with accounting, customer service, and project management features. EngageBay stands out as another choice, offering you a complete marketing system with personalized email capabilities, campaign management tools, drip email campaigns, and analytics. It includes a landing page designer with templates and a web form builder, making it a very popular alternative. So what are the extras here? So when we think about HubSpot Website Builder, basically you have a service that receives high praise for its user-friendly interface. They have nearly 5,000 reviews on Software Advice and also on Trustpilot, so that's really cool. Now the thing is that some people in the past and even right now have criticized the company's pricing model, marketing add-on cost, and limitations in sales-related functionalities in comparison to competitors like Salesforce or even Zoho. But overall, HubSpot CRM receives accolades for its effectiveness in scaling small businesses' revenue operations despite some of its shortcomings. So what are the pro tips here? You have, when you think about HubSpot Website Builder, you got to think about the fact that you want to go for a very easy website creation process, right? Use a platform such as HubSpot or any other for that matter that offers a drag and drop interface to easily create and customize your business website. Take advantage of existing themes to actually speed up the process and enhance user experience with custom modules. Visualize your website. Okay, make use of what you see is what you get editor to see exactly how your website appears to visitors as you design it. Think about the theme variety and customization. Think about free custom domain integration. Think about having the right plan, right? It's all about looking at your budget. So choose the HubSpot website builder plan that best suits your goals. Whether you're just starting or looking for advanced features, HubSpot offers flexible pricing options to accommodate businesses of all sizes. And you want to explore alternatives. I mean, I gave you only two, like Zoho and EngageBay, but you have a lot others. If for any reason you feel like HubSpot is not really getting the job done or will not get the job done for you, don't stick with them. I mean, at the end of the day, as a recap here, Website Builder simplifies site creation with drag and drop tools, offering default themes and custom modules for user-friendly customization. It integrates seamlessly with custom domains and HubSpot's business growth platform, providing forms, live chat, and analytics. So although it receives high praise for ease of use and affordability, its limitations include customization options and support. And so alternatives like Zoho and EngageBay offer similar features. So overall, HubSpot appeals to its accessible design and comprehensive tools, though it does not suit website builders who seek extensive customization or, let's say, advanced support. So in conclusion, in today's conversation, I spoke to you about HubSpot Website Builder review. I give you a review about the tool. I give you the bottom line, the target audience, the offer, the value added, the setup, the extras, and now the conclusion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.